inside this self-made tent a piece of cloth, like really all the way down because the sun is really strong. Now I'm walking to the completely other end of Hatenohama in the strong wind, because we've never yet been there. We have all the time been playing here, yeah, somewhere about there. So, and as you can see, the tide is low, very low tide. Still, it's so beautiful. Here again, we can see the spiraling waves here on the border. See those spirals? It's so fascinating to me. Enriched by my footsteps. My only footsteps here. We made it to the other end of my island, and here turtles are supposed to come and eat this, so actually we could see turtles. And look, there is one more island here, and it continues, so if the tide would be even lower, we could even walk all the way to there. And the shape is changing with the season, with the day, so these sandbars always look different, and there is only one more place in the world that's like this. Stunning colors. And yes, these are corals. Actually, the coral reef goes all the way there, and that's why it stops the big waves of the main ocean to come here. That's why the sea is rather calm and it's an enjoyable place, because of this coral reef. And you can see the strict color delimitation, like this turquoise up to here is the coral reef, and beyond really huge waves, like over here, huge waves. But thanks to the coral, those waves cannot come all the way to us and smash us. Here we can see how the sand is actually sculpted by the ocean, so I think usually the ocean is much closer. So maybe just this stripe, but right now it's very low tide, and now at this mini scale it looks like the Grand Canyon or similar. Look, like a super cliff. And I'm here in this very cute area, sitting area, and there's nobody, and see in the distance the beautiful ocean. And yes, they are expecting a typhoon, and that's why all the beach houses are taken down. And because I'm here and because I'm Hatenohama, as long as I'm here we will not get any typhoon, and I can continue shooting. So say hello to my instant noodles. And then you can do such games, let's not call them water sports.